Here we have the tram rail, model 360, stock number 4740 Baler. Machine is in excellent condition. Very little usage on it. Power unit is clean with no leaks. Electric panel, dry and clean. And to operate it, close the main safety gate, then press the down button. Machine will cycle down. Compress the cardboard, then automatically reverse, bring itself back up. I'm going to run the thing down in manual, close the gate. Shut the machine off early. Take a look at it. Cylinder rod is dry, no signs of any oil leaks on it.